Dear children, welcome to our next lesson, Unit 19, Plant Physiology. In this lesson, we are going to study about the physiological functions of plants. Animals move in search of food, shelter, and for reproduction. You all know very well, the animals are moved from one place to another in search of food, as well as shelter and for reproduction also. Do plants show such movements? No, the plant cannot move from one place to another, but they show different type of movements. Have you observed the leaves of Mimosa pudica, which is called as touch me not plant? They closes on touching, whereas Helianthus annuus, that is sunflower, follows the path of the sun from dawn to dusk, from east to west. Look at the picture on your left side, that is Mimosa pudica. It is called as touch me not plant. Whenever you touch the plant, the leaves will fold and drop down. After some time, it will again open. So it is one type of movement which is shown by the touch me not plant. But in Helianthus annuus, that is sunflower, it is entirely different movement. The flower moves along the direction of the sunlight. These movements are triggered by an external stimuli. There is an external factor which induces the plants to react for that stimulus. Unlike animals, plants do not move on their own from one place to another. We know that the roots are grow at a specific place, hence they cannot move from one place to another. But they can move their body parts for getting sunlight, water and nutrients. So this type of movement is shown by plants. Plant cannot move from one place to another, but they can move their body parts by growing. They are sensitive to external factors like light, gravity, temperature, etc. In this lesson, we will study about various type of movements in plants, photosynthesis and transpiration process. First, we are going to discuss about the tropism in plants. Tropism is a unidirectional movement of a whole or part of plant towards the direction of stimuli. Here, the plant responds by growth towards the direction of stimuli, either a part of the plant, otherwise the entire plant grow towards the stimuli. There are some types in tropism. Based on the nature of stimuli, tropism can be classified as follows: phototropism, geotropism, hydrotropism, CHEMOTROPISM, chemotropism. We will discuss these things detailedly. First one is phototropism. Photo means light. The plant responds towards the light. Geotropism, that is the gravitational force. The plant responds towards the gravitational force. Then hydrotropism. Hydro means water. The plant responds towards the availability of water. Then CHEMOTROPISm, that is the movement of plant towards touch. Then chemotropism, the movement towards the chemical. First, we will discuss about the phototropism, the movement of a plant part towards light. The best example for phototropism is the shoot of a plant. Whenever the shoot starts to grow, they move towards the availability of sunlight. The growth of stem occurs against the gravitational force. It occurs towards the sunlight. This is phototropism. Then geotropism, it is opposite to phototropism. The growth of root towards the gravitational force. The movement of a plant in response to gravity, that is geotropism. The best example is root of a plant. Then hydrotropism. Here, the movement of a plant or part of a plant towards the water. Here, the root of huge trees move towards the availability of water. The best example for hydrotropism is the movement of root of a plant towards the water. Then CHEMOTROPISM, it is response to touch. Movement of a plant part due to touch. Example, climbing vines. You can see the tendrils are growing straightly. Whenever they touch an object, it will start to coil them. This is a good example for CHEMOTROPISm. Then chemotropism, the movement of a part of a plant in response to chemicals. This is chemotropism. The best example for chemotropism is the growth of a pollen tube in response to sugar present on the stick. During the fertilization process, after pollination, the pollen grain reaches the stick. Due to the chemical interactions between the pollen grains and stigma. The pollen grains start to germinate and the fertilization process will carry. The tropism is generally termed positive if the growth is towards the signal and negative if it is away from the signal. So the positivity and negativity is based on the growth. Shoot of a plant moves towards the light, the roots moves away. Thus the shoots are positively phototropic and the roots are negatively phototropic. Usually shoot system of a plant is positively phototropic. So look at this picture. The plant grows towards the sunlight, that is positively phototropic. When compared to gravitational force, it is against the gravitational force, hence it is known as negatively geotropic. And the root system is negatively phototropic, means it moves opposite to the phototropism, that is against the direction of sunlight, hence it is known as negatively phototropic, and positively geotropic because it moves towards the gravitational force, hence it is called as positively geotropic. Some halophytes produce negatively geotropic roots. Example, rhizophora. These roots turn 180-degree upright for respiration. These kind of plants could be seen in the seashore if the salt content of the soil will be very high. In such locations, we could see the roots turn 180-degree upright for respiration. Thank you.